If you are a fish farmer who's operating the Tarpaulin fish pond, this waterproof Solatape is a must-have in your farm. Those days, before I discovered this Solatape, I used to struggle a lot just to mend the Tarpaulin pond anytime it perforated or it's leaking. Most of the time, I have to use all of that, and all of that, mix it together, wait for it to dry, put it, cut another part of the Tarpaulin pond to mend it. And sometimes you just do all this and it won't mend well. You have to start all over. But when I discovered this, it's a waterproof Solatape, which you easily take, put it on that surface, and you are good to go. So I'm going to demonstrate to you how to use it on this pond. And please take note, not only Tarpaulin. Sometimes I also use it to mend plastics, like our rust container. If it cracks, even poly tanks, you can use this. So not even only fish farmers. If you are operating with water, this is a must-have. Remember asking the cost of it. It costs less. For instance, this is 100 series. Personally, I'm not selling it. Even though if you need to contact me, I can probably link you up for you to buy. But that 100 series doesn't include transportation or delivery. Let me be clear. So now, this is where it is leaking, and we are going to put it. So we demonstrate to you exactly how to put it. So stay watching. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. And this Abdulaziz Isa. If you want to set up a beautiful farm for you with this eco aquaculture system, contact us. We can do it for you. And if you have your farm and you just want only the RAS system, then we can do it for you. But if you want to learn how to do your own filtration aeration system, that's the RAS system, we have a complete video. It is a course teaching you exactly how to do it. Click on the link and enroll, and you will learn a lot. Thank you so much, and please share and like this video. But watch out how we do the menu. So to apply this thing, you need to know the length in which you want to cut it. You cut it. Share, hold me this way. Okay. So you cut it that way. After not after you first cut, it has a layer here. You have to remove it. You have to remove it. So after you remove it, that's all. It's as easy as that. Like I told you previously, I used to struggle a lot. I used to add that and what and what. Even that, if the water is coming out, you could not do it. You need to make a clean surface, make it dry and what and what. But this is finished. Period. Thank you. Please share.